Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to see all projects on Asana. So simply just open this tool. So you can see this is the main URL link of this tool. So here your team and project option and team my workspace also and projects. So simply you can check these all projects are also here. Now you can check these page projects are also available on this page. So simply you can see this is the URL link. So just refresh this page. Now again we are typing the link Asana overview. So now you can see we have overview page. Just click on see my overview. Just click here. So it will take some time. Now it is loading your organization and workspace. Now you can see here is my workspace. Now you can see these are all of your projects. You can open it one by one. Just we have clicked. So here you can see your project is open. So in this way you can see all projects on Asana.